Welcome. In the next 5 minutes, maybe even less, you're going to learn information around GoAnywhere secure forms and how they can empower the end user, yourself, coworkers, partners, customers. Secure forms allow end users to fill out and submit information online through secure custom-made forms with one or more input values. Optionally upload files through GoAnywhere's HTTPS web client. Forms will assist the end user and lessen the time needed for an IT staff member to collect and process the inputted information. And you will see shortly, these fields are customizable and the forms are simple to use. Plus, they can be configured to allow general public or an assigned user to use them. More on why to use these secure forms. Nothing to install or maintain on a web user's workstation. Customize and control the input values, labels, how the information is selected from radio buttons, inputted values, drop-down lists, how the forms can be manually ran from a web client page, a portal, and they can be submitted from your own application using SOAP and RESTful Web Service APIs. More on customization, limit file upload parameters, including the file types that are permitted to be uploaded, file size, the maximum number of files that can be attached. Forms can be used for so many different reasons, and not just limited to, but maybe like for voting purposes, onboarding, surveys, sharing and accessing documents. Maybe use forms to upload backend database tables with updated information. Let's take a look at a few different forms here today. From this view, this particular web user has the ability to actually run these forms, from adding data into a database table, running different customized admin type reports, to all the way down to maybe zipping and unzipping files. Let me demonstrate a couple different forms. This one, if you look at it, the user has the ability to actually upload a file or files and place them on different servers, such as an S3 bucket, Azure Blob Storage, different folders, maybe in the IFS, the Integrated File System, on an iSeries box, SharePoint folder, etc. You can, again, customize this. But what's really nice about this, as an end user, I don't need to have direct access to these locations, right? This is all built into the form behind the scenes. Let's place some files in S3 bucket, just grab a document or two, whatever it is, drop it in there, drag and drop, and simply hit submit. This will then run and actually upload the file. So one file was uploaded to the S3 bucket, just like that. Very simple. The other form I want to demonstrate has a little bit more to it. The idea is to help empower the end user even further. Allow a user to be able to encrypt some documents with a particular public PGP key. If it's for a certain trading partner, select that partner that they have the ability to grab their keys and deliver to them. Again, this list is based on that user that's running it. Or maybe certain departments within the company. As an example here today, I'm going to grab the ABC trading partner. Here, the quick download. Grab some documents that you want to send to this customer and of course encrypt them just by dragging and dropping. So you can see the files there. Again, quick download. I am not going to fill in anything else and hit submit. Here are those two documents, PGP encrypted, and now I can simply click on them to download them, just like that. Maybe you do want to send the files out to a customer using secure FTP. Let's say I want to go to the Minnesota Up North company. I want to grab those documents. Maybe they have different documents, so etc. So let me grab those files. I got 3 files attached. I want to do secure FTP. That's all I have to select. I don't need to select that, and so hit submit. Your files have encrypted and the files sent to Minnesota Up North. Done. Simple. Or one last option, secure mail. So if I want to go to the Wonka division, secure mail, attach those files. Now with secure mail, I got these parameters here. I got to fill in who you're going to send it to. The default is to apply a password. The password will be sent in a separate email, and simply hit submit. Again, 3 different examples, very easy to empower the end user with secure forms. All right, well, again, thank you for this. Appreciate your time today. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us. Thanks.